Alright, so in my last video, I basically was looking at a screen, and then I basically wanted to depict it as a 44 to depict, Valentine's Day. Then I looked at the visual light spectrum as truth, your flatness, a flat earth, and then I found upside down, backwards, and flipped, you get this. Now this is important because this is where I stopped. Got cut out the phone. When there's 4 red circles, 4 violet circles, and 8 black circles, depicting your 4 years of presidency, 4 years, Republican, Democrat, and a cycle of 8. Depicting, I believe, what to be your 0.25 days a year, because you have 8 and 4 pi. That'd be 8 and 2 pi then. 8 over 2 pi because that's 1 period. Yeah, 2 pi is 1 period, so that's your quarter year. That's your 0.25 every 364 days. Anyway, so over here, I took the 448, as in the 4 red circles, the 4 blue circles, and the 8 black dots. And when you do 3 makes 4 makes 5, you need to know that the dot goes here and you get a circle around it. When you read it, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, where the 3 is a V, which is a 5. Now when you write it out, you go 8, 4, 5, 4. 8, 4, 5, 4. 21, 22, 5V. Okay? Whatever. Over here, new stuff. 8 is the H, 4 is the D, 5 is the E, 4 is the D. However, we need to know that 3 makes 4 makes 5 makes 6 in Armageddon thinking. So I'm going to add the 6 to the first. So H plus 6 is 8th letter of the alphabet H, plus 6 is the N. So I'm going to replace it with N. Now, 3 makes 4 makes 5, but we have a weird 3 in middle of a DE. So the DE goes down, dot, N, and the D. Circle. Now, they make you think that Adam before Eve. So they make you think E minus D, and there's no negative in creation, is an A. And they said the N is LMN. N minus the circle is an M, so they think ADAM. Bullshit, guys. Eve came before Adam. Here's why. You have a dot. That dot remains in between here. But you have a circle. The circle gets absorbed by, I believe, the DE to have chain balance. The best way it can to up the D to another E. Look. EDEN. Eden. And you have a V in the middle, a dot. Eve. Eve created Adam in the Garden of Eden, which is a fly speck of a V. Derived from the truth. Derived from your visual light spectrum and your flatness of flat Earth. Because I wanted to talk about David Bowie and all the songs that remind me of Austin Lee Meredith and Sheila and Amber Graves as the creators of the cellular energy device we live in. After I decoded Valentine's Day because I love my wife and I love my kids, who both remind me of these two mythical characters. Because of coincidences, right? Now, that was pretty heavy. We went from here to here. That didn't take too long. That really didn't take too long, guy. True Zodiac. Take the truth, backwards it, upside down it, and then flip it. Then break it down into 3 makes 4 makes 5. Ziggy plays guitar.